Hello, welcome to Cooking with Pina. I've been away for a while, but here I am back again. Today I'm going to make spaghetti squash. Spaghetti squash is a healthy alternative to pasta. It is versatile and inexpensive. It tastes absolutely delicious. The first thing I have to do, cut this squash in half and take the seeds out. This is actually a grapefruit spoon. It's serrated on the side, so when you have to scrape out the seeds, it's much easier than just using a plain straight spoon. One thing about the spaghetti squash is that cutting it in half is pretty tough. The skin is very, very, very tough. So you need to have a very sharp knife and some strength. So this is raw and it'll take about 30 to 35 minutes to cook it. I have carved out all the seeds. Now I'm going to put it in this platter and I'm going to turn it upside down and pour some cold water in here. And now the cold water is due so that the squash gets steamed. You need to have about an inch, a quarter of an inch of water. Then I'm going to open the oven and put it in for about 35 minutes. It also depends on how big your squash is. This is sort of a medium size squash. And keep it there. You do nothing to it. I'm going to put it for 30 minutes because I put the oven a little bit higher. And this is the cooked squash. And I'm going to start taking some of the spaghetti squash out. As you can see, it's well cooked. Actually, it's very easy to do this part. Maybe you can have the kids do this. Just like spaghetti. And it smells delicious. Look. I'm going to make tomato sauce and meatballs, which I already done. And you can see my tomato sauce in my other videos. One other sauce that maybe it's good to try is pesto, basil pesto. So you can use whatever kind sauce or topping you like. I made some sausage meatballs. This is the easiest dish I ever made with spaghetti. You don't even have to put salt because I put enough salt in the tomatoes, in the tomato sauce. And then I put some meatballs. And this is it. This is spaghetti squash with tomato sauce and meatballs. It really tastes delicious. And what's nice about this? Well, you don't have all the carbs that real spaghetti has. Very light in calories. It's a vegetarian dish if it didn't have the meatballs. Thank you for watching. I hope you make it and give me a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to Cooking with Pina. Arrivederci alla prossima volta. Ciao!